join us as I work on this really unusual Japanese maple, one of my last repots, restyling for 2025. Join us. This is gonna be really quick. I need to get this repotted. It's getting too hot too fast. Some of you can see some of the maples are actually popping. This is one of the last one. This is a regular wild type. It won't fit in the house. I was gonna air layer it, but there's some rodent damage on some of this upper bark. So I'm gonna cut it right here with the lopper and then just get this into the workroom, repot as best I can, trim some of the major branches because it's kind of getting a little bit of reverse taper in some spots. Once you see it, you can see how ugly the trunk is. And then I'll just do a quick repot and get it back out here. I got about three other trees left to repot for this season, and then I'm calling it a day. But this is one of the last maples I'm going to be doing. So let me get the loppers out, let me cut them out, and then I don't know, my wife is rushing me out, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Alright, I'm not sure you figured out that I just cut the top, came back from dinner, cut the top, get it in there as fast as I could. So this tree was another Eckhart tree, one of the first ones actually. I think not one of the first ones, but it was probably 2017. It's probably this is probably 2017 when I purchased this tree from him. It was one of them in the ground. It was cut in a pot, one of those 5-gallon pots, not 5 gallons, 3-gallon pots, 5-gallon pots in the ground. And then I put it into this Anderson flat for the last 7 years-ish. Only thing I've done was select a couple of the branches to grow and then just let the branches kind of thicken up, let the apex kind of grow. This whole section is new. Actually no, this section was right up to this midsection right here it's new. Everything else was kind of just grown out to develop and then heal some of these big cuts over. So I think the game plan for today, I spoke earlier, I'm going to cut some of these branches way back to restart them and then get this out of this type of, this is, if I remember, this is perlite and cactus mix, if I've got EV stone cactus mix, if I think. And then I'm going to try to do is cut it out and then put it back into an Anderson block with akadama instead, and then kind of let it grow out. Get some of these branches kind of to ramify at this point, kind of regrow them out. But yeah, let me turn the camera around and let's get to work. All right, sorry, I took a break. This is as far as I can get today, but that reduced, that soil line was up to here. You can tell where the dark mark is. This is the bar of this guy. Pretty bitchin', isn't it? As Michael Robert would say. This, could have more than one front, which is kind of crazy. This is probably the widest part here, but I think this is probably the most interesting. You have the widest nabari, you have the most movement. Some of the branch placements are not bad. I think I need to go back and just kind of build the ramification really tight now, really short. And then I'll probably need, that might be my new apex right there. This may be my new apex. And I know it's not bad here, but I need to whittle that down. It's just really straight here. It'd be kind of cool to have one right there and then build from there. I don't know, I'll figure out when I get to it. I'm just gonna it's still a lot of perlite. This is solid at this point. You can tell that's where I cut it last time. So that's as far as I can get it. Next time I may take a sawzall and just cut it one more time. But right now this is a good stopping point. I basically cut any roots that are going up. You saw I was just cutting any roots that are going up at this point. I want to make sure all roots are in this case facing down as much as I can. No major roots. I did find an acorn. I didn't know what it was because I was like, what's this ball little thing right here? And then I found out it was an acorn. But yeah, I'm gonna just I'm not gonna tie it down. This is pretty heavy and hefty. I'm gonna bury it up to here in akadama and scoria mix. So nice layer on the bottom, put this right in the middle, put some layer on top, and then let it grow from there. I won't tie it down. I will nip this in spring when this has some good growth on it, and then see if this guy will take off. If this guy doesn't take off, I might have to do a thread graft right around here, so I can get a branch here, and that's pretty much it. So let me get back to work. Alright, I gotta stop for now because I can't find my chopstick to poke the soil in a little further. I'll need to cut paste all the wounds on this guy. Sorry, dogs are barking outside. And then I'll water it, set it on the benches, and set and forget it. Dogs, gotta love them. And here they come. They want to go inside. But anyways, if you guys watch this so far and watch me destroy this guy, he looks 10 times better, I bet. Trunk looks really nice. Nice fat base. I'll probably leave it on the bench, leave it alone for about a couple of years. During this time, I'll probably start building out some of the ramification of the trunk line, watch the apex on this guy, and just let it grow. It's going back on the bench again. Nice shady part. Shadow. If you guys like this video, apologize for the dogs barking in the background. Like and subscribe. I'd love to hear some comments from you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.